Welcome to David Automobile. The 2025 Skoda Octavia is set to make a splash in the Australian market with its refreshed design, advanced technology, and powerful engines. This updated model offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and practicality. The 2025 Octavia features a new exterior design with updated headlights, grille, and alloy wheels. The Sportline model continues to offer unique styling cues, including black exterior highlights, distinctive wheels, and sports-tuned steering and suspension. Inside, the Octavia retains its 10-inch touchscreen, but now offers a new 13-inch screen option featuring updated software and an advanced voice assistant with ChatGPT integration. The car also features touch-sensitive sliders for volume and climate control, as well as enhanced USB-C ports. The 2025 Octavia is available with a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine in the RS model, delivering 195 kW and 370 Nm of torque. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and front-wheel drive ensure a dynamic driving experience. A mid-range 2.0-liter turbo all-wheel drive variant will also be offered, providing 150 kW and 320 Nm of torque. The 2025 Octavia comes equipped with advanced safety features such as attention and drowsiness assist, enhanced traffic sign recognition, and a hands-free park assist system. The remote park assist feature allows drivers to maneuver their cars while standing outside. The 2025 Skoda Octavia is expected to arrive in Australian showrooms in early 2025. Pricing has yet to be announced, but it is anticipated to be competitive with other models in its segment. The 2025 Skoda Octavia offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and practicality. With its updated design, advanced technology, and powerful engines, it is sure to appeal to a wide range of drivers. Subscribe to our channel for more exclusive automotive news, reviews, and insights.